Hello, I'm Lucy from Kitchenzap. Today, we're going to talk about mint tea. You have probably noticed mint dominating your garden. Don't just ignore it because you can make something healthy and beneficial for it. Mint tea, an overview. The herb mint outlines its origin to ancient mythology stories, such as its association with metamorphosed beauty. Mint is native to North America, Australia, Southern Africa, and North America. It was then distributed across the world's temperate areas and naturalized in different places. Mint is used as a scent for the arms in ancient Athens. The Romans introduced it in England, where John Gardiner called it mentys. Mint was an ingredient in toothpaste for teeth whitening during the 14th century. Physician and astrologer Culpeper used mint in treating different ailments. However, he suggests not administering it to a wounded person as it prevents its healing. Since the 1970s, Americans have been enjoying the mints, especially after their meal. The plant was then used for medication, such as digestive problems. It continued making its history in the US until the lifesaver mint was introduced in 1912. Eventually, mint expands to the confectionery industry. Candy manufacturers then develop variations of it in different flavors. You now have a wide range of options on how to use or eat mints. Interesting facts about mint tea. If you have not tried mint tea yet, the following facts will hit up your interest. Mint tea is rich in nutrients. Mint leaves are jam-packed with vitamin A, which is vital for night vision and eye health. It's vitamin C and B2 for cell protection and the breakdown of proteins and carbohydrates, respectively. Also, mint contains copper, magnesium, and calcium. Drinking mint tea makes you feel cool and relaxed. Mint comes with menthol, making it a significant source of discomfort relief. It treats skin burns and relieves respiratory difficulties. Patients with irritable bowel syndrome drink mint tea for relief. The salicylic acid and menthol content of mint works wonders on your muscles and skin. It brightens skin complexion and relaxes muscles while acting on your blemishes. Its vitamin A lessens oil secretion in the skin. Mint tea can be aromatherapy for the brain. It has a refreshing feeling after every sip of it. Such smell improves memory and other brain functions. Aside from the therapeutic effect of drinking mint tea, it is often used for teeth whitening. Fresh mint is ever present in mint juleps and mojitos. It flavors crème de menthe liqueur that is used to mix grasshoppers and stingers. Fresh or dry, you can always prepare mint for a refreshment. Mints are not just for your teas, but also chocolates, chewing gums, cookies, and candies. Thank you for watching. Watch our next video about how to make homemade mint tea. Don't forget to like and subscribe.